Hello, continuing with our space theme for today, I am going to be reading Fly Guy Presents Space. It was written by Tedd Arnold, and I'm reading this with permission from Scholastic. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy, and Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. One day, Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Space Museum. I want to fly into space when I grow up, said Buzz. Space? Yeah, said Buzz. We can learn all about space right here. The universe is so big that scientists do not know its exact size. Space means everything in the universe. The universe is made up of our planets, stars, suns, moons, and much, much more. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our house. This spaceship went all the way out past Neptune. It's Voyager 2. Moons orbit or travel around planets. Earth has 1 moon. This one is Earth and its moon. The surface of the moon. Jupiter has 50 or more moons. Many moons. Here's some of Jupiter's moons. That one's really cool looking. There are at least 146 moons in our solar system. That's pretty cool. The sun is the biggest object in our solar system. It is 109 times wider than Earth. The sun's gravity pulls the planets like a giant magnet. The sun is the center of our solar system. All objects orbit around the sun because it has gravity. Gravity attracts objects to one another. Oh, so that's Earth to scale. Remember that from the other book we read? The sun is a star. Stars are huge balls of burning gas. Stars only look small because they are so far away. The sun is the closest star to Earth. It is 93 million miles away. The stars are not star-shaped. They are really gigantic balls. There are many other objects in our solar system. Meteors are small rocks. When they fall towards Earth, they are called meteors. A shooting star is really a meteor. Comets are large pieces of rock, dust, and ice that orbit around the sun. Comets are called dirty snowballs. Asteroids are made up of rock and metal. An asteroid belt is made up of lots of asteroids. Excuse me. Astronauts are people who travel into space to find out more about it. Astronauts call zero-gravity flights vomit comets. Ugh. There is no gravity or oxygen in space. Astronauts go on zero-gravity flights to learn how it feels to move without gravity. These rides are like very fast roller coasters. Oh, I'm floating around up there. Astronauts wear special clothes to keep them safe. Spacesuits keep astronauts warm or cool and let them breathe. So they have lights, helmet, glove, temperature control valve, safety tether, protection layer. You need your own helmet, Fly Guy. See you in there? He's trying a real space helmet. So this is astronaut Buzz Aldrin walking on the moon. A spacecraft is a vehicle that travels in space. There are many different types of spacecrafts. A space capsule is carried into space by a rocket. Some return to Earth by splashing down in water. So it says capsule landing. Then splashdown landing. A space shuttle also blasts off using rockets. When it returns to Earth, it lands like a runway, like an airplane. Astronauts can live on space stations. A space station can be as long and as wide as a football field. Astronauts have done amazing things. First person in space, the first American to orbit Earth, and the first astronaut to walk on the moon. The first word said on the moon is, "The eagle has landed." The first teachers to be part of Teacher in Space program, and the first woman to command a U.S. space shuttle. I don't know if I could handle going into space. Animals were sent into space before humans. First in space! The first creatures in space were fruit flies. Albert II became the first monkey in space. And a dog named Laika became the first animal to orbit Earth. They're so cute. Scientists can learn about space through telescopes. A telescope is a tool that uses lenses and mirrors to make faraway objects look nearer. Look, kids can use a telescope too. I have a telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is as big as a school bus. It's pretty cool. There is still a lot to be learned about space. Earth is the only planet scientists know of that has living things on it. But scientists think there could be other life in the universe. Take me to your leader. Aliens? Mars rovers are robots that explore Mars. Scientists are studying if there were ever water on Mars. If there was water there, there might have been life. When Buzz got home, he made his very own asteroid belt. Look, Fly Guy, I made it out of rocks and metal. We learned a lot about space today, Buzz said. I can't wait for our next field trip. His belt's funny, asteroid belt. All right, I hope you enjoyed reading Fly Guys Presents Space. Have a great day.